What's up guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify square root of 125 times n to the power of 7 divided by 169. So the answer is 125 is 5 times 5 square, or 5 times 25. N to the power of 7 is n times n to the power of 6. And 169 is 13 squared. So we keep these things first with the exponent, and the second part is going to be 5n. Then this part is going to be square root of, that is going to be 5 n to the power of 3 divided by 13 times square root of n. Next example. Square root of 98 r to the power of 5 divided by 100. The answer is, so 98 is 2 times 49, which is 7 squared. R to the power of 5 is r times r to the power of 4 divided by 10 squared. So it will be 7 squared times r to the power of 4 divided by 10 squared multiplied by 2r. So the square root of this thing is going to be 7r squared divided by 10 times square root of 2r. Next example. Square root of 180 s to the power of 10 divided by 144. The answer will be 180 is the same as 36 times 5. 36 times 5, so 36 is 6 squared. So it's going to be 5 times 6 squared s to the power of 10, and 144 is 12 squared. So it will be square root of 6 squared s to the power of 10 divided by 12 to the power of 2 multiplied by square root of 5. That makes it 6 times s to the power of 5 divided by 12 root 5. 6 divided by 12 is 2, so we have s to the power of 5 divided by 2 root 5. That's the final answer. Next example. We have square root of 36 divided by 35. The answer is 36 is 6 squared. 35 is 7 times 5. So it's going to be square root of 6 squared divided by 7 times 5 is basically nothing, so I return it back to 35. So square root of 6 squared is just going to be 6. So 6 divided by square root of 35. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.